What's up, hustlers? All right, so it's day 6. We are on day 6 of the November challenge by now. You should have started to get your stuff. I still haven't gotten my stuff yet. Hopefully, it gets delivered today. Then we can actually start the return process. I'll walk you guys through that. But for day 6, I'm going to address limits. I had one of my students ask me today, "Hey KP, is there a certain amount of limit you feel comfortable buying from the stores?" And yes and no. Test your luck. Like, find your store, make a big purchase, whatever you're comfortable returning. I feel like it is a price versus quantity type of thing. Now, if you come into a store with 10 $100 items, that's $1,000. It may seem a little shady to do 10 returns of $100 each, as opposed to one return of $1,000. You know what I'm saying? One return can be a mistake. One return could be something I wanted to purchase for my wife or my kids. They didn't like it. I'm returning it. Now, if you buy 10 different items and you're just like, "Oh, I didn't like it," that could be true, but it could also raise a flag when it comes to doing the return. So we're looking at higher value items versus getting a lot of items, right? All right, so that's covered. Today, I'm actually going to go low today. We're going to go through Rakuten, see what we got. I'm going to go less than 5%. The reason I do this is because I did notice it's regional based. I'm here in Orlando, so a lot of my stuff is generally 5 to 10%. I'm fortunate, but a lot of people are saying, "Oh man, I don't see that. I'm getting 4%, 3%, I'm getting 1%. So we're going to go grab some 1%ers. Hey, listen, the goal is to make money. It's not to wait and wait and wait for 10%. You can. I mean, if you are doing it once a week, then you can leverage it. You can sit and wait until it's 10%. But we're doing the challenge every day, so we're going to get something every day. I'm going to look at something, maybe 1%, anywhere between 1 and 5. We're going to see what we have today and go with what we got. Let's tap in. All right, so here we go. We're in the app. Let's go ahead and see. Yesterday we did finish line, or we messed up on the 4th and did finish line twice. So I applied the second purchase to the 5th. So today we're not going to do Nike, Ulta Beauty, or finish line. We're going to try to find something that has good percentages. It has to have a good return policy. Macy's is bad. I do know that from experience. Walmart is bad. Hertz, PetMart, PetSmart. I don't think that you can purchase much from PetSmart, but it is at 2%. I actually haven't tried it. I do know Dick's is good. So what we would do, and this is how I always go about my things, you click it, you want to go down. Every website should have a customer service section. I showed you guys this in another earlier day. So we're going to go to track your orders, help center, about. Okay, they don't seem to have a customer service button. Recall, privacy policy. So I guess I'll say a help center. And if you can't readily find it on the website, you could always just give them a call, because it doesn't look like they make it easy. Yeah, it's telling them to contact us. So I'm going to skip PetSmart for now just because I don't know their policy. I do know Dick's. Dick's has a tap policy. So we'll just go ahead and buy something from Dick's. All right, what are we looking for? It doesn't matter. I just want to spend $500. So let's get some golf clubs. Believe it or not, golf clubs are expensive, y'all. Look at this. Look at that.
Wow.
One golf club. I'm going to go over my limit for the day, but we're just going to do it. So let's go ahead and crack this one. Don't customize it. All right, so you see here it says customize. When doing this, we are not customizing anything, because when you customize it, you cannot get it returned. It's a custom item. You're buying it. Let's say regular flex, right-handed, 10.5, shipped to me. Now, this is key. You see what I just did there? I don't know anything about golf clubs, but it's different lengths to the golf clubs. So we could always use the excuse, "Oh, I got the wrong length," or something. Like, this is a 10.5. My dad wanted a 12, or he wanted a 9.5. Whatever. It doesn't even really matter. You don't have to give them anything. You could just tell them, "Oh, I didn't want it." All right. We're in the cart. Ship. Let's go ahead and check out. All right. Let's go ahead and pop this stuff in. And there we go. Thank you for your order. All right. So as we know, Rakuten is going to pop it up in a couple days, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But I will come back tomorrow to show you a recap. And today's Monday the 6th, so I should start getting my items within this week. We can start showing the items off, and then I can walk you guys through the return process. Until then, I will see you tomorrow.